Hello again in another episode of GunfireTV. Certain Polish company called Gate is well-known producer of very advanced electronics for replicas. Now, some time ago they announced a revolutionary product and we've been waiting for it, and now in this cool looking 3D printed box I've got one of them. Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to the Status, a tactical computer mounted on the gun. Let's take a closer look. So first, what it's made of, and then what for it's made of. Well, it's CNC machined from very high aluminum, and the display here it's covered with very flexible glass. So you may see videos made by the producer where guys are using 0.33 BBs with 2 joule replica and hit the display from 1 meter distance and nothing happened. They also take a Humvee and run it over one of those, and it still remains fully functional. Cool, right? So, you mount the Status tactical computer on left or right side of the replica using the wrist rails. Now, those two buttons are used to navigate through the whole system of the device, and they are large enough that you can use your gloves, even very heavy gloves, and have a feeling of those buttons. Don't be afraid if it gets hit with any BB or even something stronger, it will stay in one piece. Alright, so using those two buttons in front, you can go between different displays. Now, let's start with this one. Here is number 30. It means that I chose 30 BBs in the magazine. Here, it means that I've got 2 magazines fully loaded. So, let's start shooting. Okay, let's say that I just want to change the mag. All I need to do after replacing the magazine is to pop those two buttons in front, and you see 1 magazine left, and again 30 BBs because the new magazine is in the replica. Now, very important is this little symbol that vanishes and occurs after I change the angle of the replica. This, when you can see it, it means that the replica is on the right angle. Otherwise, your BBs will curve right or left depending on which side you are turning your replica. This is a very important indicator if you are looking for those long range, very precise shots. Status will inform you how many BBs are left in your magazine. It will also tell you if your battery is about to be discharged. It will show you how many shots you've got left on your battery. It will indicate the angle of your replica. It's very important if you want to get those very far and precise shots. Reset bolt catch will make it more realistic to use your replica. It will show you the temperature and how many steps did you make, and what's more important, how many calories did you burn. You will know how many magazines are left in your pouches. Don't worry if you change the environment from bright to dark, it will adapt. It will inform you in which position is your fire selector. Built-in timer will not allow you to leave respawn too early, or what's even worse, too late. You can choose between 4 options of displays, and you can set every one of them. The Status connects with Titan or Aster MOSFET using the blue link, so if you've got one, order only Status. If not, order pair. Alright, so we've got 21st century, and access to very fast information is very essential, not only in a real battlefield, but also in airsoft battlefield. So, this Status tactical computer allows you to talk with your replica. In a way, of course, it will tell you how many BBs you've got left in your magazine, how many magazines you've got left in your pouches. It will inform you if your battery is just about to die, and many other features. Hell, it will even tell you if you're aiming properly, and that's, I think, very important if you want to be efficient. So, if you're a happy owner of Titan or Aster, Vargate, or planning to buy ones because they are really good. I think one of the best of MOSFETs on the market, and you would like to be even more effective. Well, this little gizmo, this tactical computer Vargate, is waiting for you in Gunfire. So, see you again in another episode of GunfireTV, and I'm gonna be training holding the replica straight because I've noticed that I'm not so good at it. Well, I use so. Well, anyway, see you again.